Hi, this is William here, and today we're going to talk about the uses of a versus and. It's a little bit different from my technical presentations, but I thought it would be one that you would enjoy. So the use of a versus and, articles, indefinite, acronyms. From time to time we all need a little reminder about one grammatical rule or another. Even for many native English speakers, the usage of the indefinite article a or an is confusing. Well, we can only imagine what it must be like for non-native English speakers. Let's settle this. So what are articles? Article words that accompany a noun indicate the type of reference being made by the noun. In the English language, there are three types of articles: definite, indefinite, and partitive. Definite, the word the indicates that its noun is a particular noun or is an identifiable noun to the listener or reader. Indefinite, the word a and an are used before a singular noun that has a plural form. Partitive, often used to indicate a mass noun. The word some is the English equivalent to a partitive article. So would you like some coffee? Can you use articles interchangeably? No. Substituting the for a may change the context and may confuse your readers. Consider the following examples. Give me the glass, give me a glass, give me some glass. And then there's a versus an. Which is it? A is used before nouns that begin with consonants, whereas an is used before words that begin with vowels. There are many exceptions, such as using a before a word with the letter U when pronounced like you, and the letter O when pronounced like one. Then there's that tricky silent H. So even though it's consonant, that's meddling unsounded H is preceded by and, not a, because it's typically followed by a vowel or vowel sound. When the H is pronounced, or what follows H is pronounced, like a consonant, use a. For example, an hour, a hill, an air, a history. Similarly, in the case of acronyms, a is used before a consonant sound and an is used before a vowel sound. There's the catch. Watch out for acronyms that are pronounced as one word instead of each letter. Similarly, in the case of acronyms, a is used before a consonant sound and an is used before a vowel sound. There's the catch. Watch out for acronyms that are pronounced as one word instead of each letter. For example, sound out the difference of the following. Notice the distinction between the consonant sound and the vowel sound, especially with those acronyms spelled out and those pronounced as one word. So an FBI agent, each letter is pronounced. A fact page, pronounced as a word. An FAQ page, each letter is pronounced. An HTML tag, each letter is pronounced. A HIPAA regulation, pronounced as a word. The be-all and end-all of the grammatical principle is to rely on the pronunciation of the word in concert with the consonant-vowel rule to determine which is appropriate. So I pulled this article from Ezine Articles, and if you need further information, please go to Ezine. And that concludes the presentation on the use of a versus an. And this is William, and I'll see you the next time. In the meantime, take a look at wbweeksjr.com.